Hello everyone! Welcome to Meanne's Kitchen. For today, I will teach you how to prepare a cup of tea at home. Are you ready? Okay, so these are the different ingredients in making tea. Let's start, but make it sure before we handle any kind of food, let us ensure that our hands are clean or free from dirt, especially now that we are experiencing COVID-19. Ginger. So, grated ginger. So, mga kasinlaki lamang siya ng hinlalaki sa kamay. Okay? And our next ingredient is malunggay leaves or moringa leaves. Okay? So, we all know that moringa leaves or malunggay leaves are very abundant in our yard or somewhere else. Moringa is rich in different vitamins and minerals. Next, we have calamansi. Okay, 2 pieces of calamansi. Next, we have honey. So this is a natural sweetener. Okay, so by the way, sweetener is optional. And aside from honey, you can also use muscovado sugar. Next ingredient is water. Napakasimple lamang ng tea or ng recipe na ating gagawin ngayon. Paghahalu-haluin lamang lahat sa isang casserole and hihintayin nating kumulo or mag-boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay? So, umpisahan na natin. Put the 2 cups of water into our casserole. And then, we will mix all the ingredients. So, let us put the lemongrass or the tanglad. Next is our grated ginger. Okay, so it's all about 1 tablespoon of ginger. Okay, so after that, sisindihan lamang natin yung ating kalan. Okay? So, after combining the 2 ingredients, we will cover the casserole and boil for 3 to 5 minutes para ma-extract yung juice from ginger and lemongrass. The next step is we're going to add the moringa leaves and mix. Okay, so it's already done. We will now transfer our tea to our cup. Okay, so we will use a strainer. We have already poured the tea into our cup. So, next is we will put a natural sweetener. So, as I've said a while ago, we're going to use honey. So, by the way, putting sweetener is optional. So, depende sa'yo kung gusto mong matamis or hindi. Okay? And then, para mas masarap siya or mas mag-add pa ng nutrients sa ating tea, we will add a calamansi juice. Now, our homemade tea, which usually served at the end of any massage session to flush toxins in our body. Okay, and then now, the last step is taste our tea. Okay. Delicious! Nanunuot yung taste ng ating ginger. I hope you learn a lot in Mom Meanne's kitchen. Okay? So, let's enjoy our tea! Okay, bye!